In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace a driver's side ABS sensor on a Jeep Patriot located in the driver's side fender well. So with a 19mm socket, we're going to remove the tire. If your tire is frozen on, always put a lug nut back on partially by hand tight. Give it a bang. So the ABS sensor goes right here into the knuckle, and it's got a mounting bolt. That's a 10mm socket. We're going to take that mounting bolt right out. Set it aside. Now we'll see if we can grab this cable and move it back and forth. See if we can get it loose. Now with a pair of pliers, I'm going to wiggle this and hopefully not break it, and then pull at the same time. See if we can get it to come up right out. So now you can follow the ABS sensor around and pull out these little clips because they come new with the actual ABS sensor. So I'm just going to use a pair of cutters. You can use needle nose, anything that will get in there, because we know that's going to happen. So you might have to take a drill, unfortunately, and just drill the plastic out. So let's follow it around. It's part of the strut housing, so we'll take that off. Looks like a 13mm socket. I'm just going to hand tighten it for a second so I don't misplace that. And then we have one more mounted on the firewall, 13mm socket. Now you can see it goes right into the fender well. Pop that clip out. And then up here. And there we go. Now you'll see that the connector is inside the engine compartment. So in the engine compartment, right below the master cylinder, that's right above us, is the actual connector. So I didn't have to take the air box out or anything. I think I can get it from without doing that. And I'm just going to see if I can pop that connector out. There we go, just like that. So now we're going to take that red tab, that's the lock tab, and pull on that. All right, so now we can go back out into the fender well and pull that cable out. Now you're going to take your new ABS sensor and put that connector in through there. I'm going to push it through the fender well and lock it. That way it limits the movement. I can go back into the engine compartment and connect those. And the new one does come with that clip. So now to reconnect the connector, I'm going to take the harness side and I'm going to slide it over that so it stays on the car and so I can hold it with one hand. That. Now I can take my connector, the new side, and line it up. Hear it click. There we go. And then take that red tab and lock it. So now we're back in the driver's fender well, and I'm going to run the new ABS sensor right through. Follow the mounting clips. Push that through. It's nice because it gives you a little pin, but that's going to sit like that, right in that fender well. Put the bolt in. This has that keyway also. So let's see, bring it down, up and around, just like that. Put the bolt in. We'll just snug it. Now before we continue, I'm going to take my drill, like I said, because it's broken. Right here is our plastic piece, just any size drill to get that out. And now that's clean and you can push that tab right in. So you bring it around the top here, let it go over, and then push that tab right in. Slide that clip down into that hole and take your sensor, guide it through the mounting spot, Take your little 6mm bolt with that 10mm head for a socket and start it by hand. Get your little socket, 10mm. We're just going to snug it because the torque spec is 13 foot-pounds. So just snug it down. And there we go. Let's get our torque wrench. Okay, 13 foot-pounds. Now we can put our tire back on. Just hand start the lug nuts. That's a 19mm socket. We're just going to snug it up before we torque it and do it in a star pattern. Okay, now we can lower it and torque it to specs. Wheel torque is 100 foot-pounds. We're going to torque it in a star pattern. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.